Hello YouTube, Tomassz, Michigan. St. Patty's Day is right around the corner, so I'm going to put together some sauerkraut. Hopefully it'll be ready to eat come St. Patty's Day. Starving over here. Well, I've never made this before. It's the first attempt. So we're going to peel this top layers of cabbage off. I got some onion on the cutting board that was left over. I wasn't sure what to do with it, and I thought I'd just throw it in with the sauerkraut. Set them aside. And we're going to chop this up. Quarter it and make it manageable. And core it. Feed that to your wood chucks. Take the cores out and throw them in the yard, and the woodchucks will stop to have a tasty snack. It makes it easy to get a bead on them. And you can chop this up however you want it, according to the videos I've been watching. It's only a week till St. Patty's Day, but some of the research I've been doing, it'll be ready. And if it's not, you just let it go a little bit longer until you get it to where you like it. Seems how I've never made it. We're gonna find out. A week's enough. Take these top leaves off one more layer. got a few peppercorns. To use kosher salt or anything but table salt. The rule of thumb is 2 tablespoons for every pound. I'm just gonna try doing it to taste. And then you just start mashing it, squeezing the water out of it. I've seen some of the videos, they got a round wooden handle, kind of looks like the bottom of a baseball bat that they mash this up with. Taste this. Yeah, it's not as near salty now. Getting her all mixed in. Right. Okay, let's start packing some in the jar. Well, we got some juice forming. Brine, I should say. Making brine. We got brine right up to here. Plus I got some in the bowl. The brine. And these little gizmos are going to make the fermenting process happen. Put that on there. Put this on here. We got to fill this half full of water. We'll get that in a minute. And I'm gonna make a small batch with what I got left here. just a little bit. I don't want to fill that too full here. Love that out. Another one of these weeds. You know, I might put a little water in it. Get that above the. You're not supposed to use chlorinated water or tap water. That's all the minerals and everything that's in it. Put my little weight in there. My little fermenting lid. And a little gizmo, so what it does is it vents all the oxygen out. I'm not an expert on any of it by no means, but just what I've read and watched on YouTube. And then we're gonna fill them halfway up. And a little bit more. Put these lids back on. And hopefully in a week, we'll be enjoying sauerkraut on St. Patty's Day. Green beer and sauerkraut.